Welcome back, folks, to another video. Here I have with me Jake Riley.
Hey guys.
I'll put his channel link in the description. And yeah, today what we have is we have a new bumper. Well, it's new to me, but this bumper right here we found at a junkyard, and it has some paint stuff that needs to be worked on over time. But for the time being, I will cut to a little clip of the bumper I have on it now, and I'll show you how much better this one is. Looking at this bumper here, I am almost 100% positive that this is the stock from the factory bumper, and the clear coat is just coming off. You can see where the clear coat's bubbled up and there's been water underneath it. And the mounting points underneath here are a little bit messed up. I tried to super glue them. We'll see how well we can get this newish bumper to get onto the actual car. There is some minor buckling in the paint, and the paint's not perfect, but it is a lot better than this bumper that I have on the car right now. As you can see, this just it's bad. There's a bunch of scuffs on this. It's hard to see because we do have it in the garage. It's rather hot out today, but let's go ahead and get this process started. Now that we've got the new bumper cleaned, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take off the factory bumper. I'm gonna get you guys on a time lapse because this might take a few minutes. Okay, so we did run into a little issue with the bumper. The clips that go into the top here, I had to just pry them out because the screws themselves that were in the clips were not coming out. So we had to go to Advanced Auto Parts and we had to pick some of these up, and they aren't perfect. So what we're gonna do is we're going to drill out and bore out a little bit more of the holes for the mounting points, and that should make it a lot easier just to go in. So I'll get you a time lapse right here. Now we've got those holes bored out, so let's go ahead and get that new bumper on. Just like that, folks, this new bumper, well, quote-unquote new bumper install is over. It is raining, but with the new headlights and the bumper, I mean, that's all I could ask for. And there's a little bit more coming to the channel, so make sure to stay tuned and make sure to leave a like and subscribe.